Our top story at 6, closure in a Bryan County courtroom as two families see justice served. A Richmond Hill woman sentenced for the DUI crash that killed a mother of 3 and injured another. Sarah Smith was there for the emotional hearing. Sarah?
Well, it happened on December 6, 2024 on Highway 17 near Ponderosa Road. 36-year-old Jacqlyn Bacot, referred to in court as Morgan Henderson, pled guilty to homicide and serious injury by vehicle. Now, emotions were high today as she was handed a 12-year sentence by Judge Charles Rose Jr. in front of the victim's family.
Understanding the magnitude of the physical pain, the emotional and mental pain and suffering it has caused.
For the first time since the fatal crash, Jacqlyn Morgan Bacot Henderson stood in court and read a statement to the family of 35-year-old Donna Pitts and Donna Bocuk. It was an emotional and difficult day in court for each of the families.
Just no winners. It's lose-lose for everybody.
Attorney Greg McConnell detailed what has been reported about the car crash on December 6, 2024. Bocuk was driving with her granddaughter Pitts in the passenger seat. They were turning onto Highway 17 when her car was struck by Henderson, who was traveling at 105 miles per hour, 85 on impact, according to McConnell. He says Henderson also hit another vehicle. Henderson told the court she only had half a glass of wine that day, but witnesses reported that they smelled alcohol on her and officers conducted a field sobriety test. However, her blood alcohol content was not tested until almost 5 hours later. Experts believe her BAC was around 0.09% at the time of the crash. Judge Rose says this wreck wasn't a mistake, but something that was intentional.
But as I look at the facts in this case, man, driving over 100 miles an hour, heavy traffic weaving in and out. The witnesses that gave their accounts were horrified because they could see what was about to happen. They knew it wasn't going to end well. And Ms. Bacot, you had to know.
WSAV talked exclusively with Bocuk, who says she was forever changed by this incident.
I hate it because she has to go through this because she makes the wrong choices, but I lost a grandbaby, and I got 2 grandbabies here beside me, and I'm just glad it's over.
Henderson hugged her loved ones and was immediately taken into custody after this hearing. She will serve 4 years in prison and the remaining 8 years on probation. Sarah Smith, WSAV News 3, on your side.